Please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel My World. In the last class you learned about future perfect tense. Today you are going to learn future perfect continuous. The last tense of all tenses. Future perfect continuous tense. So what is the use of future perfect continuous tense? Any action that began in the future and continues for some time in the future can be expressed in this tense. Actually, present perfect continuous tense we have to discuss. Any action began in the past and still action that continues in the present, that can be expressed in the present perfect continuous tense. And regarding past perfect continuous tense, any action began in the past and that continues in the past and that ends in the past, that can be expressed in a past perfect continuous tense. Regarding future perfect continuous tense, any action that's going on for some time in the future can be expressed in this tense. For example, see, the future perfect continuous tense is used to show an action that will be going on up to some point or continues on in the future can be expressed in this tense. Before going to the examples, we'll observe the syntax. Subject plus will or shall plus have been plus V4 plus object. Subject plus will or shall plus have been plus V4 plus object. And for example, he will have been learning English for 3 years by next year. He will have been will or shall plus have been plus V1 plus ing or V4. So English for 3 years by next year. The action is going to finish 5 years or 3 years by next year, not now. Okay. And by next July, not this July, next July, we shall have been living. The action is going to be finished, not now. So in this house for 5 years, the duration of time is 5 years. So, and he will have been working here for 3 years by next year, not now, by next year. So the action is going to be finished. What is that? He will have been working here for 3 years by next year. So these three we can express in the present perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. Observe how we observe the changes. So he has been learning English for 3 years, present perfect continuous tense. And so we have to leave it time. We shall have been living, that means we have been living in this house for 5 years, present perfect continuous tense. And he has been working, we have to remove this one, and he has been working here for 3 years. That's it, for 3 years. We never mention the future time. So we can express these things, these three examples in present perfect continuous tense. Like the past tense also we can express these examples. Thank you one and all, and please subscribe my channel to encourage me and to do more videos and to present you. Thank you very much.